How to get monetized on YouTube fast. Let's go. Yes guys, hope you're doing amazing. My name is Lucien and in this video you will find out how you can monetize your YouTube channel fast. So make sure you watch the whole video because we have a surprise for you and you really don't want to miss this. When you're monetized on YouTube, it means that you are getting paid for the videos you upload. So to apply for monetization of your channel needs to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. So after you got that 1000 subs and 4000 hours of watch time, you can apply for monetization. When you start your own cash cow channel, aka YouTube automation channel, the fastest way to get monetized is to search for channels in your niche that recently just started and are performing really well. And then just make yourself similar videos of their videos that are performing recently really well. And guys, don't just guess things. So step number 1 is model what is working. When a cash cow channel just started and there's really good results and you make similar videos as the videos that have done recently really well on that channel, it's more likely that the videos on your channel will also perform really well. If of course you make good cash cow videos. When a cash cow channel just starts, it probably won't have a big audience or following. You're in the same position. And if the video does really well on their channel, the chances are really big that that video will also do really well on your channel. If you make a similar video of a really big cash cow video, the chances of your video to go viral are smaller. And why is that? Because that big cash cow channel has already uploaded many videos and it doesn't matter about what topic the video goes, it has a big audience, so the video goes viral. Step number 2, upload consistently. So when you got your own YouTube automation channel, one of the fastest way to grow is to upload consistently. So if it's possible for you, and of course if it's in your budget, try uploading every single day one video. So uploading every single day consistently is one of the fastest way to grow your channel, and just upload every single day at one time. So just say, okay, I'm gonna upload every single day at 6 p.m. one video. So every day around 6 p.m. upload a banger. You will become monetized before you even know it. Before we go any further guys, as you guys know, we give away one free consult call in every single video, and the winner of this video is Emilio. So Emilio, bro, thank you for your comment. I know that you are supporting this channel for a long time. I want to thank you for that, bro. So it will be my pleasure to hop with you on a Zoom call. Just send me a DM on my Instagram, which will pop up right here. Bro, we will have an amazing call. And if you want to be the winner of the next free consult call, all you have to do, subscribe to our channel, leave a like and comment something really nice in the comment section down below, and the winner of this call will be announced somewhere in the next video. How long will it take to become monetized? And this is for everyone different. So some people, they upload 5 videos on YouTube, they are instantly monetized, and some they upload 100 videos and they are still not even close. You have the solution if you just follow the 2 steps that we discussed before. Is step number 1 is model what is working, and step number 2 is upload consistently and if possible every single day. Then it won't take much time and much videos. So probably how it will go in real life, in reality, is your first videos on your channel, to be honest guys, won't get any views. And then the more, if you just model what is working and you're uploading every single day consistently, the more views and the more subs you will get, and then your channel will just grab more traction and traction. So let me show you how that looks. So right now we're in YouTube Studio. This is one of my channels. Around May we're just doing 10,000 views a day. That's not really much, to be honest. Then right here we just uploaded a banger. So we uploaded a video that did really well. We got more views, we got more subs. Then it went back a little bit guys, and we're just modeling what is working and we're uploading every single day consistently. And what you guys can see is that the result is that the channel grabs more traction and traction. And right here is the revenue. So we upload every single day. Sometimes we upload a banger, we get more subs, and we just go harder and harder. We just grab more traction and traction. So this is how a cash cow channel looks like if you just model what is working and you're uploading every single day consistently. That was the video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also let us know in the comment section down below what you like the most. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.